All right, what's going on, guys? What is going on? Hopefully the mic is not too loud. If you are a member of the Discord, the VIP, I strongly recommend you go in there. Go in there, check out that post I just did. It's gonna be big. It's gonna be big, guys. All right, moving on. Hello, my name is Joe, and welcome back to TradingView. And if this is your first time here, definitely smash the like, subscribe to the channel, blah blah blah. You hear that stuff all the time, right? I get it. But you're not going to want to miss this, guys. We're going to show you how to trade. We're going to show you how to successfully and strategically place your entries, your targets, your stop loss, and for free. Yeah, you got it right. For free. Do I have a paid membership thing? Nope, sure don't. I'm in groups that have that. And matter of fact, there's one in particular that I really, really like, and they're giving me a lot of freedom to do a lot of stuff. And that's where I'm telling everybody to go. You know, if you want to have another group that you're in, not saying to leave your current group. What I am saying, though, is it's always best to have a bunch of different, groups, in my opinion. That way you can kind of see who does what, the results, all that fun stuff. All right, moving on. Guys, super excited today. Today's a good day. We've been having a lot of really nice trade setups. First thing I want to do is I want to go over Bitcoin. Then after Bitcoin, let's go over some charts. All right. Let's see here. Okay. My exam notes. Oh, I got this double. Why do I have a double? Do I have two browsers on here? One that I didn't see? I got one somewhere. Oh, there it is. Okay. Trying to trick me over here. All right. So welcome, guys. And once again, if you are brand new, definitely, oh, I love those floating hearts. Where are my hearts at? There we go. You guys are the best. Appreciate you guys very much. All right. So Bitcoin, what is Bitcoin doing? Well, of course, we talk about this. And the first thing that we always want to do is we want to check out Bitcoin. And man, my phone, my phone is blowing up like crazy. Let's see here, 1 second. And hold on. Let me turn this stuff down. Yeah, I was watching TikTok where they were ushering out a pastor who went to a different church, and I guess he was saying something else. I don't know. Maybe he was calling out that particular group as far as being, just people who, if I wanted to get rich, and if I wasn't in crypto, I'd be a pastor. Yep, sure would. I'd have $1 million houses. I'd have $1 million estates. I'd have $1 million vehicles. I'd have jewelry. I'd have nice clothes. I'd have people around me that were filthy, stinking rich. And yeah, if it wasn't for crypto, that's what I'd probably do. But you gotta love crypto, guys. You gotta love crypto. If you're in the space right now, you are in the absolute best space you can be in. Because if you're making money, great. If you're not making money or you would like to make more money, follow this channel, follow my Twitter, follow all that stuff. I will show you how to trade. All right. So I do need to I need to move my stuff around. Let's see here. PJack 301 says, "What's good? What's good?" All right. Man, life is good. Life is great. Very happy with just everything. It's amazing how before, I mean, I was kind of happy with my situation or whatever. Then the situation got like really, really bad. And now I'm like really happy. Life and just trades and my whole mentality, it's way different now. For the better, for the better. So it's good. It's real good. All right. We're talking about this. Possible double top. You'd have to break this to get a confirmed pattern. And then, of course, we're looking for right here for our possible bounce. It tried. It didn't close the candle. So this is why it's super important. The candle closes are very, very important. If you just see the move, like whenever I post a chart, and I have a free Discord group that I'm a part of. I'm in several free Discord groups and several free Telegram groups, but I'm spending most of my time in this one particular one. And I must stress this. When there's a call given in the free groups, and I say buy the breakout, it's not as it's happening. It's when the candle closes. And we went over this yesterday as well. But when the candle is coming up, and say you're on the 4-hour time frame, that's my preferred time frame, and it's coming up, and it says buy the breakout, it's not, it's higher risk. You could buy it as it's breaking out. I don't like doing that. I like waiting for this candle to close, and then the next candle, for me, that's what I consider the breakout, because the candle already closed, and it's above the area it's supposed to break out of. Then as soon as the next candle starts, I enter it because the previous candle was a breakout. The candle closed. This right here is my number 2 indicator. Countdown to bar close. The first one is my price action. Once the candle closes on that time frame you trade on, again, I like the 4-hour, and it's above the area it broke out from, this is an official breakout for me. And then I would enter the trade. Instead of having to wait for the next candle to complete, which would be 4 hours, then that would be my next entry. As long as it stays above the area it broke out of. If it, comes down and creates that wick and it closes underneath it, I don't buy it. So my definition of buying, for me personally, I have definitions that work for me. I have definitions on a retest. You have the official textbook retest. And then I have what I use to be very successful in trading when it comes to my personal definition of a retest. This is super, super important whenever you're trading to, in my opinion, do the retest from my personal definition, and you will succeed even more. Same thing with buying the breakout. Right now, I just gave you my personal definition of buying the breakout. Oh, let me do this. Okay, so I need feedback, guys. I need feedback. How does this screen look? Is this too big as far as like a picture? Like, good Lord, Joe, is this too big? But this is what I want to use for like my story times and my just thought process. When it comes to trading, it's very important to not just go by textbook, because everybody teaches textbook. What I teach is reality. I teach reality on the actual trade as if you were in the trade at that moment, which is way different than saying, oh, this is what I would have done, this is what I wouldn't have done, based off of what you already see. My my subscribers and followers and friends, they tell me, yeah, Joe, that's retro mentorship. You know, they're saying what they would have done after the fact because nobody knows. And hopefully in the next day or two, I should be getting new equipment that's going to help me streamline what I'm doing. I'm going to be pumping out videos. Now, for me, I don't like promising stuff. I like doing stuff. I like showing you stuff. So this week, just watch. I'm going to start a new series on debunking different strategies. Now, if you use these strategies and they work great for you, perfect. I love it. If you're having kind of issues with these strategies, then maybe try something what I'm doing. And it can't hurt. So just kind of let you know, guys. Just to let you know. Let's see here. Chart. Oh wait, wrong one. Chart link, please. Oh, I got two of them. We got double action over here. Nope, I like the other one first. Nope, what did I do? Can't find it. It appeared. There we go. Chart link. Yeah, definitely. We'll do that. We'll definitely do that. So yeah, give me the heads up as far as this story time close up. Let's see. Perfect sizing. Awesome. Okay, looks good. I like it for story time. Yeah, this is gonna be more story time. So thank you guys. Thank you for the feedback on that. And right now, what we're doing is we are just we're doing this together. You know, it's a learning process. I haven't done this in a long time. Enough with story time. Let's get back to making money. Okay. Enough said. Let's do it. So I believe it is this one. There we go. Good stuff. I'm thinking maybe I need to do a transition or something. I don't know. It looks good in my opinion, how I just did that. So we were talking about Bitcoin. Possible double top. Then, of course, you have this area that it needs to close under. And then not only that, but like if we get a bearish retest, then more than likely it's going to come down. And if it breaks below this level, pretty good chance. Now, the stuff that I'm showing you on Bitcoin, this also applies to your coins, your regular altcoin or whatever coin. All the information I'm giving you right now, it works for that too. So very important, the candle must close. Because if not, let's say it's coming down. Oh, it's coming down. I'm going to enter a short. What happens? Comes up. Oh, it's going long. I'm going to go long. What happens? Goes down. You have to wait for candle to close. And the smaller the time frame, or the shorter the time frame, the higher the possibility that it may be a fake out. Write this down. However, you can get into it faster and potentially get more gains. For me, I just want to play it safe. I want to compound my gains. So that's why I trade on the 4 hour. If I want to get a little risky, then I'll go the 1 hour. Now, what I could do is I could also look at the smaller time frames to nail the entry. I could go the 15-minute, and that way I can nail the entry. But to tell you the truth, guys, I can just look to the left and see where I'm going to enter. But once you get to that point, you don't need to go to the lower time frames. You can just, oh, it did this. I can see it. It's to the left. This is where I'm going to enter. Put a lower bid here, lower bid here. More than likely, they'll all hit. And if the lower bids don't hit, it's okay because I'm still in the trade. That's how I look at it. But, you know, for people just starting out, they're not going to know what I'm looking at. So that's one thing that I do. Oh, story time. So one thing that I do on this channel is I have the beginner's mindset. I give you the who, what, where, when, why. And especially the why. Because when I first started, I could not understand why people were doing what they were doing and why they were doing it and why they were using certain indicators and why they were looking for certain patterns and just everything that goes into trading. I did not understand that. Now I do. And so that you don't have this issue, or maybe you're thinking about it a different way, what I do is I give you the thought process. I put you inside my brain and I let you walk around in there. Now, granted, you're not going to bump into anything. I got one piece of furniture here and one over here. That's it. Support, resistance. Oh yeah, and trend lines. That's it. There's a lot of room you can play in there. A lot of room. Support, resistance, trend lines. Easy. If you can make some room in your big brain, very smart, etc., squeeze that in there. Support, resistance, trend lines. And you're good. You're good. Like, I always show you how to do this, guys. And I show you everything. I don't give you little bits and pieces and then say, oh, well, you have to get an hour mentorship for $100 so that I can give you everything. No. Watch the channel. I give you all my secrets. I have nothing to sell you. And that's the thing, too. Because I have nothing to sell you, I will show you my wins and my losses. Others don't do that because they want to sell you something. I'll show you everything. Ask me any question. I'll give you as long as I know it, I'll give you the answer. Plain and simple. Moving on. All right. So now we're looking at Bitcoin. We talked about this to where it could come down. No candle body closes. We're closing down here. And then, of course, came up. It came down. And then I think yesterday, was it yesterday? We posted down here. Possible reversal. Nobody knows. Nobody knows what's going to happen. Possible reversal. And then it came up here. And then I said, okay, this would look really nice as an inverse head and shoulders. Not only that, but I know people, they love to put patterns on top of stuff. And what I said was, well, this would be a really nice pattern for them to see. And they would love this. So what it needs to do though, like let's break it down. Let's make it simple. Let's hide this. Let's just make it simple. What Bitcoin needs to do, support, resistance. You see this, right? This is on the daily. It needs to break that level. Easy, right? That's it. It needs to break this level and gain support. Candle body needs to close above this in order for us to be bullish. Now, how long will we be bullish? Nobody knows. Until it breaks this, then possibly bearish until it comes down here. Hopefully find support. If it breaks it, then this is our next level. And that's one thing that's very, very important to understand. Just because we see an inverse head and shoulders, that doesn't mean it's going to come up here. Could it? Yeah, it could. But then it could also find resistance here and then come down. I did a chart the other day where it was a perfect, beautiful cup and handle on the daily. Is it daily or weekly? I want to say daily. On the daily time frame. Man, it was so, man, and it's AI, and it just looked really, really good. But then it came down. And then down, I think it came down like 30-something%. Now, granted, we did not enter it because we have to wait. We have to be patient. It's extremely important. You have to have patience. Patience is the most expensive lesson you will learn in trading. Hands down. I lost a lot of money trying to front run stuff. I lost a lot of money having the mentality of, okay, 68% chance it's supposed to do this. That's more than 50. So I'm doing it. Now I scale into trades. I rely on support, resistance, trend lines until they break. I go with that. So I'm reacting to the trade. I'm no longer predicting. Now, sometimes, of course, I do this. This is not predicting. This is what might happen. But me personally, I know that this stuff right here is just a maybe. Not a definite. It's not even a 2% that this could happen. This is a maybe 1%. I don't even put 50% on this. I'll put 68% on this. 1%. And if it doesn't, oh well. If it does, man, that's great. Now, the other people though, the other people on YouTube, trust me. No, don't trust me. Never, ever trust me. Always verify. The other people on YouTube, the other influencers, everybody else. Oh, look, guys, we called this pattern and it did this number and the measured move and it's perfect and blah, blah. Like, follow my group and, you know, join my this and pay me an hour of mentorship, $100. Because they're selling you. They are selling you. But they don't tell you all the other calls that didn't happen. They don't tell you that. It would be too time consuming to call out everybody that their patterns failed. It'll be too time consuming. For here, you don't have to worry about that. Not on this channel. You know, I have the humble mentality. Hey, if it works, great. If we made 80%, perfect. And matter of fact, I posted that on Twitter, and I don't remember if I made a video on it, where we made 100 and something percent. Let me see if I can pull that up. Let's see here, results. So, what's this one? Okay. So this was the post. You know, now granted, this is one of the groups that I'm in, so I strongly recommend. It's in. Oh, I haven't pinned it yet. So here is where I'm at. So definitely check that out. And capital mindset. Okay, cool. And I'm actually pinning it right now. Pin. So definitely go there, guys. There's a free section and a paid section. The paid section, I think they have it for a discount, huge discount. And I mean, you'll see when you go there. But in this, I did a video, I believe it was a video, and I said, you know, does this happen in 3 days all the time? No. Does it feel good when it does? Yeah, of course. But this is not saying, hey, you know, we do this every 3 days and look at it. No, look, the calls that we do are good. And this is just an example of the how I set it up. I tell you the market cap, I tell you the category, I tell you the targets, the stop loss, I give you the entry ideas, I give you the targets. And not only that, but on this one, I also update it. So if we need to move up the stop loss, I update you on that. If it's starting to come down, it's not looking too hot, then I'll say, okay, guys, what I would do is I would sell right now and just wait. But the point is, 9 setups in 26 days. There are a lot, I think all the groups that do 10 setups in 1 day. Here, and this is the VIP section, of course. Here, 9 setups, 26 days, and 4 are pending. So there are 4 pending charts that we have alerts on. I was doing a lot of research last night and a lot of TA and charts and everything. And I think right now I posted, I think like 2 or 3 more just last night that are pending. And we're waiting. Like I have my alerts set, but what I do is I notify the group. Because some people would like to play it more risky. You know, depending on your risk tolerance. If you have a high risk and you want to enter it before everybody else, then hey, great. You know. But here, I think I posted like 2 or 3 more. Just saying, these are my radar. I have my alerts. Don't enter them yet. You know, it's high risk. And I mean, I break it down. I break it down for you. But yeah, like everybody else, like they would just do that one and then, you know, join my mentorship, $100 an hour. Here, does it happen? Yeah. Does it feel good? Yeah. Feels good making people money. It really does, guys. It really does. Let's see here. Oh no, not new equipment. I heard that deliveries can be slow around here. Wow. Oh man. Man, that's yep. But my delivery, I checked the delivery, Amazon, everything. It should be here Monday. So it's not coming from Mars or Jupiter or wherever, you know, that person's from. I think maybe, I don't know, someone sent it to him. But yeah, that's funny. That's funny. I know another guy that's waiting on equipment deliveries. That is freaking hilarious. That's freaking hilarious. Yeah. So Bitcoin's booming. Bitcoin's booming right now. So if you're in the Discord VIP, I strongly recommend checking out the chart that I just posted prior to the stream. Just kind of give you a heads up. All right. So let us check out. Good. This is so good, guys. Okay. So let us do link. I think it was link USDT. Now this one is only going to be for an hour. This live stream is only going to be for an hour. We still have about 30 minutes left. Now what I do is after here, we go directly to Discord. And today is not a free day for the Discord. Today is for the VIP. Now what I do, I think last week I did it several times last week. This coming week, we'll probably do it maybe 3 times. And then I'll try one for sure. We'll do one a week for sure. And then I'm going to try my best to do 3 times a week for free. Now, in the free screen share for Discord, you get all the same information that you would do in the paid version. The only difference is in the free portion, I try my best. I normally only give you 1 target. And but sometimes I give you all 3. And I answer questions. If you have questions, I'll answer those for you. And they're very detailed information questions. Here's my goal. My goal is to make you money. Period. Now it'd be different if the group that I'm helping was my group, then I would, oh no, I can't do that. I gotta charge you for it. Nuh-uh. It's not my group. So what I do, and that was my agreement to help them, is I give stuff out for free. What I want to do is I want to do a live screen share here at least once a week and give out all the information I would if it was paid. And they said, well, can you only do 1 target? I said, oh yeah, I can do that. But sometimes I don't. But just to let you know, guys, and this is super, super important. I want to get rich with you, not because of you. There are everybody, well, I wouldn't say everybody. The majority of people in this space want to get rich off of you. They want to, give you little bits and pieces, and then, oh, well, if you want the rest, you have to pay for this and this. That's what they want. Do they care about your success? Yeah, I'm sure they do. But for me, in my opinion, I think I care just a little bit more. Like, I want to give you everything. My goal is to reach out to people who can't afford it. I mean, that plain and simple. That's my goal. And now if I have to not have, 800,000 of membership fees to reach that one single mom, one single dad, one kid out of high school, is it worth it? Yeah. Yeah, it is. Now, and 800,000 is nothing compared to what they normally get for memberships. Think about it. Do the math. For me, I'm okay with maybe having a really nice dinner once every other week, knowing that I'm not charging people, I don't have my own group or nothing like that, and eventually I will reach people who don't have money to pay somebody, $2,000 for a year's worth of to learn how to change their life. That's my goal, guys. And I'm asking you, continue doing what you're doing. You all are doing great by sharing the content. This is how I get out to the masses. This is how I can help all those people when it comes to learning a new skill that not only change their life, but their kids' lives. Now, I will tell you a story later, but just to let you know, I will tell you a story later. Joshua, what's up, Joshua? Appreciate you being here. And again, guys, if you are new to the channel, definitely subscribe, have that notification bell on. What I try to do, well, I really like this 3 o'clock the time slot. I really love it. I still need to update my banner. I've been doing a bunch of charts lately in FA, and I know excuses, right? But I need to update my YouTube banner to make sure it says 3 p.m. Live streams. And then right after that, we do Discord. And again, sometimes they're free, but usually I'm going to be hanging out a lot in VIP. Once we start getting more VIP members, you're going to see it. I'm going to be in the VIP live chat thing, screen share, 8 hours, 12, 15 hours a day. And I just have it on. And then when somebody comes in, they need help. You do not know how valuable. Okay, hold on. Let me go to my story time. The value of the VIP Discord It's going to be like having a one-on-one mentor at your beckoning call. I'm going to have the screen share open anywhere from 8, 12, maybe even 15 hours a day. You hop in, hey Joe, I really need help with this chart. I'm getting stopped out, or what are your thoughts on this chart? Oh yeah, sure, man. Let me help you out. Do. Oh, this is what I would do. Thanks, man. Done. It is literally like having a one-on-one mentorship. And not only that, but you also get the amazing calls, the updates, the video thought process updates as well, in addition to text updates. This is like no other group you have ever been in. Plus, we're not putting out 10, 15, 20 charts a day. In the past 23, 26 days, we had 9 charts that were active. 2 of them got stopped out, one for minus 7% and one for minus 5%. And the rest, over 513%. I am working really hard, guys. I'm working really hard to find you the best setups and the safest setups. And I'm not overwhelming you with all these charts for you to pick which one you should choose. And then the 89 others you didn't choose, well, 10 of those were very, very successful. I don't want to do that to you guys. Y'all guys deserve better than that. Help me. Spread my word. Help me on Twitter. Help me on YouTube. Help me everywhere. Watch the content. Interact with the content. Like the videos. Like the posts. Share them. Comment. All the comments, all the likes, everything that you do, it's engagement. The platforms, they love it. And what they do is they push out my stuff in front of people that would have never seen me before. And then I can help them. Once again, I give you everything for free. If you can't afford it, it's okay. I'm not in it for the money. Could I use the money? Yeah. Yeah, I could. But my goal is to reach that single mom, that single dad, the people, the ones that are struggling, the ones that can't even, go to do whatever for their daughter or their son, or they're struggling. I'm gonna tell you a story. This is story time. Okay. I gotta compose myself. So I was poor. Man, was I poor. Here, let me see here. Okay. So just to let you know, I'm gonna read the comments in just a moment. Just to let you know, guys, I was poor. Man, was I poor. I was so poor. It was funny. So my mom, man, I love her to death. My mom, she I would always go and visit her. I would always go and visit her, minimum 5, 6 times, no, 3 to 5 times a week, minimum. So, and she loved banana splits from Dairy Queen. So I go pick up a banana split, we go and we're talking, just having a good old time. And I said, man, Mom, my best memory of my childhood was when we had movie night. Man, I loved it. And we were like 7 years old, my brother and I. And we would go to the other room and we would get the mattress and we put it right there in front of the TV and we're watching TV and we're having a good time. And, Mom made us popcorn and we're just eating popcorn and watching movies. And I look over to her and she's crying, like literally like sobbing. And they weren't happy tears either. I said, Mom, like, what's going on? Like, why are you crying? Like, that didn't make sense. And she says, Joe, you don't know this, but we were so poor that was your dinner. Wow. I was like, what? I never knew that. I never knew that. That was our dinner, was popcorn. One bag of popcorn. That was our dinner. That's who I want to reach out to, guys. I want to reach out to the people who are struggling, the people who are giving their kids popcorn for dinner and they don't even know it. The kids don't even know it. Help me, guys. I can only do it with your help. But that's my goal. The single moms, the single dads, the kids that are, struggling. That's who I want to reach out to. So if you can, and you'll see it too, like I'm not one of those that tell you one thing and then they do another or try to bamboozle you or trick you or promise you. No. Look at my stuff. Look at my stuff. Everything that I do, I give it to you 100%. I give it to you for free. I could, oh, well, if you want that information, it's going to be, $100 or 200 or what. I could do that. I could easily do that. Man, I don't want to. My mom raised me with morals, ethics, and integrity. And I believe that good things happen to good people. So if you also believe that, then please help me. Get my word out there. And we're going to kill it, guys. We're going to kill it. You're going to help me help others make so much money. It's ridiculous. And it's really funny. It's really funny how people, they can act a certain way, but eventually people see through that act. And same thing for the people who are doing what's right, in my opinion. People can see that time and time and time and time again. So I just want to let you know, guys, I am so grateful to be here in this space. I am so grateful that God has given me the knowledge to simplify all this hard stuff as far as trading, all the indicators, all the divergence, all the different ways that, you have 3 that say yes and 2 that say no. What do you do? My goal is to simplify trading. Now, I've already done it for me. Like, I make it super, super easy. My job is to reprogram your brain, or if you're brand new, to program your brain to where you understand that trading is only as difficult as you make it. It is. And I make it simple. I make it super simple. So, once again, guys, my name is Joe. This is TradeIntuition, and definitely follow me for more content. Follow me, guys. All right. Moving on. Let's see here. Let's go this. So that last part, it was really good. So I was like, oh, let me make it a little commercial. So we'll see if it makes this commercial. Oops. Wrong button. Okay. So let's see here. I wish I could afford the VIP. Yeah. I want to reach out to you. That's my purpose. Go into the free portion of it. Get the free content that I give you. Get the free setups that I give you. Make money. And then, of course, when we do have the free screen shares for the free group, make sure to join it. And that's always done after a live stream. I do the announcement if we're going to do that one or not. The first one coming up for this week is Tuesday. So right after the live stream, we go into the Discord. You can ask me questions if you have a chart, et cetera, et cetera. Now, if we get bombarded with charts, then, of course, I'll just have to pick 1 or 2, because I can't be there for several hours. Not for the free version. The paid version, I'm going to be there a whole bunch. All right. But yeah, and that's my goal, is to reach out to everybody. Let's see. Joshua says, I can't afford that, but the other guy used to charge for his own gains. I know you wouldn't do that. No, I wouldn't. I mean, I could. Man, I could make up 800,000 easy. Easy. Not worth it. I'd rather have, to give good, because I know good stuff happens to good people. And you don't need money to be happy. Like, I saw that. Ooh, man, did I see that? Yeah, you don't need money to be happy. That's for sure. And I found that out too because of course, y'all, for those of you who've been following me for a bit, registered nurse, love working, love doing overtime, bukus of money, but that didn't make me happy. Granted, I could do more stuff, yeah, but that didn't make me happy. That made me tired. That made me tired. Oh man, that made me so tired. Sup, Joe? Gonna keep bugging you about how you pick which coins you target. Dude, after we do this link, I'm gonna show you. And you're not bugging me. You are not bugging me. I love this. I love questions. So definitely go to the Discord. The link is pinned and it's in the description. Go to the Discord and ask me questions. Matter of fact, there was a question. Let me see. I don't know if I put it in here. I think it's in my downloads. No, it's not in downloads. But there was a question that I had, and I can't find it. It's on Twitter. There's a question that I had, and I have so many windows open, it's ridiculous. But here was a really great question. Let's see, profiles. I just want to show you this really quick. Oh yeah. So if you're tired of pump and dump groups, you know, this coin, I just updated this morning. I think it was at 2 in the morning. I updated this coin. It's not ready yet, you know, but we're waiting for it. And it's still up over 100%. The coins that I go, I don't do the whole pump and dumps, you know. So once again, the group, this is the VIP portion of the group though. I'll make you money, man. Like I don't know how else to say it. Joe, you can be more professional about it. No, this is me. Take it or leave it. There is a post. Okay, right here. Now, of course, this is the answer is in the free group. You know, I'm just doing this so that people can go into the Discord. This is a great question. Now, ask me questions, guys. That way I can answer them for you. I do this for free. You don't have to join the paid group. Like, who says that? It'd be different if it was my group. Then I'd be like, oh, yeah, you have. No. Go into the Discord. Do it right now. Well, after the live stream. Do it after the live stream. And if you have a question or whatever, and matter of fact, somebody else asked a question on a chart. So what did I do? I made a video on it. I put it on YouTube. My goal is to help you guys. My goal is to help you make money. Question. How much should I set at each profit level? Great question. Man, I broke it down. This is how I do my thought process. This is how I do my thought process. Well, it depends. It depends on your trading style, your risk management, the market. Who breaks it down like that? I don't know anybody that does. I don't give you textbook answers. I give you answers from the thought process of a trader. It goes on to say, this is what you do in spot and leverage trades. Bear market, bull market. Now, the answers are in the Discord, the free version of it. Then, long to midterm holds. This is what you do. Not only that, but I give you tips. You can't find this stuff on the internet. This is experience. Don't hold in the bear market. Everybody knows that. But when it comes closer to the bear market, you better believe I'm going to be telling you, and I'm going to be sharing again my stories about the bear market, everything. Then you want to start accumulating coins, blah, blah. You know, so I give you a plan. I give you a plan. During this time, during the bear market, and then getting ready for the next market. Then here, I make sure I tell you when to sell. If you're going to do long-term holds, investments, whatever you want to call them, I tell you all this for free. For this bull run, start selling a third of your position in September, a third in October, and a third in November. By December, you should be completely out. Now, if you still have a little bit, then make sure to sell it all in December. It's 2025. Now, will I be trading, actively trading? Yeah, sure will. I'm not going to be holding, though. That's for sure. Not going to be holding. And then I say right here, very important. Oh, you can't see it. Joe, get your big head out of the way. Good Lord. Okay. Can't even see it. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And bingo bango. Oh, that was quick. So there, I show you the information. You know, close all trades. Don't listen to influencers saying this is going to be an extended cycle. And that bamboozlement got me last time. And that bamboozlement got me last time. Not this time. Fool me once. Okay. Got you. So just kind of give you a heads up. All right. So I just want to make sure that everybody is smashing the likes. Everybody is smashing the likes. Let's see here. What's this? Did it come up? Okay. Let's see here. Manuel says that's for the 99 correct. Pure crypto membership correct. You'd have to go to the website on that. I don't remember, but I think they have a monthly for I think that price, and I'm really not sure, man. Like you would have to go to their Discord to check all that out. See, AD says howdy gang. What's up? What's up? Goat season. Goat season. Least I can do is do likes and engagement, brother. Yeah, man. That right there to me is worth gold. Give you heads up. That to me is worth gold. Joe, why don't you just stop talking and do the freaking link chart? Oh, sorry. Sorry, guys. Let's see. But I'm gonna do the link chart. Is it ready yet? No. See, you found me. Let's see, I found you. You found me, or did I find you? Let's see, it's 199. It's 199. It's 99 a month for VIP. Cody, double check. Go to the pin message. I believe that sounds about right, though. I just went there one time to see what they were doing. But I believe that sounds about right. But it's free to look. Go into the Discord. It's free. Then, of course, go to the membership area. It'll break it down. They do have, I know they have a lifetime membership option. And they have a limited amount of people they're accepting for that. Just because it's a brand new Discord. And they're offering people huge discount. And I know you're going to be here at least 2 years. So if you were just to pay for a 1-year membership with somebody else, you're actually getting a lifetime over here, so at where I'm at. Now, granted, I'm in a lot of groups, but here I really like it, and I'm going to hang around, and I'm not going to leave them. We'll just say that. These guys are a good group of people. They have morals, ethics, integrity, something I thought that, the other person was a really great salesman. So AD says, I appreciate you. No, I appreciate you. I do thank you. Sorry I wasn't looking at your face when I said that. I was trying to get these other comments. Let's see. Pig Steerer says, Joe, if you don't want money, why 99 for your new group? It's not my group, man. It's not my group. And if it was my group, no, I would probably charge the same. I was gonna say I'd probably charge cheaper, but that's the going rate. Is that now? If this was my group, so let's just think about it, because this person, let's do a story time, and then we're gonna get to link. So let's do story time. So, Joe, I hear you have a group, and you're charging people. Okay, for one, where'd you hear that? Well, we're pushing this group. Like, why are you pushing it? This is your group. No. Okay, so let me ask you a question. Why would I give everything out for free if I have a group? Think about it. Why would I give you all the information free on YouTube and also free in the Discord area that they're letting me use for free? Why would I encourage people to go to the live screen shares that they can get all the information for free? Just think about it. If I had a group, this is what I would do. This was my plan. This would be my plan. Guys, come over to the free portion. Then they go to the free portion, and I said, "Oh, I can't give you all that answer, but if you want all that answer, that's in the VIP. Yeah, come on over. That's what I would do if I had a group. I don't have one. I prefer to give all my stuff for free. Now, I do see the value in VIP because with the VIP area, I'm constantly updating. VIP takes a lot of work. So if you do want the VIP and you want the calls prior to everybody else, get the VIP. If you can't afford it or you don't want to do it or whatever, don't do it. You're still going to get the setups. You're still going to get the target. I don't say targets because I'm only doing one target for the free. That way there's an incentive to go to the VIP. Now, granted, is this mine? No, sure isn't. Because if it was, I would not be giving everything for free. So just kind of give you a heads up, guys. Some people do think that this is my group. It's not. I'm a member of a lot of groups. This one, I see a huge, huge potential in everything that they're doing. So really good thought process though from Pixture. You know, if I give everything, let's see, if you don't want money, why are you charging? It's not my group, period. But good stuff. Yeah, and it's reasonable. Like, I'm not trying to pick on you or nothing. That's a very valid question. You know, why are you charging if, well, for one, it's not me, it's the group that I'm a part of. That's their fee. So give you a heads up. But very good. I think, Cody, again, I'm not too sure. Like, you'd have to, and it's free to go look in there and see what it is, see what they offer, see all that fun stuff. A lot of people for, let's see, 99 a month, a lot of money for most people. Do the free portion. No one's telling you to do the paid one. Do I encourage the paid one? If you want the call sooner, can you still make money in the free area? Yep. I make sure of it. And then, who knows, you could make so much money that now you have money for the $99 a month. That's what I want to do, guys. The people who cannot afford the group, I want to give you knowledge to where you can afford a group, whether it's the group that I'm helping out or even another group. I don't care. I really don't. I don't care if you make money off of my group. Well, the group that I'm in, I call it my group. If you make the money from this group that I'm in, you know. Matter of fact, I have like 3 groups. They're in Telegram, and with these 3 groups, they are, in my opinion, very, very good. Do me a favor, guys. Send me links to Telegram groups. I think I asked this last time too. Send me links to Telegram groups and also Discord groups. I'm in several that, I call mine, but it is what it is. I'm a member of these groups. There's a lot of groups that I want to be in, because if you just think about it, if I'm in all these groups and they love my charts, it's more eyes on the coin. So, gonna give you a heads up. All right, moving on. But no, I agree. You know, for some people, that is a lot of money. You know, man, Pixar loves to. Oh my gosh, still with this comments. And if it's a new group, why is it? Why? Okay. So, do you understand value? I'm not sure if you understand value. So, if I have this phone and it's brand new, the retail price, the value I put on it is $7,000. But it's a sell price of $500. You understand how that works? I'm not sure if you understand how that works. So what these guys did was they understand the value of the group. So the value of the group is, I guess, $199, and they're offering it for $99. I'm not sure how old you are, but that's how, and I'm not trying to like disrespect you or anything like that, but that's how things work. That's how life is. So give you a heads up. All right. Oh my gosh, Pixter. How many people posting charts? Oh, okay. This is just a question because you keep on saying the number, how many people posting charts for the 99 a month? I am the only one posting in the VIP callouts. Then we do have areas where other people can post their charts, so that people can see them. But that's the reason why there was only 9 active trades in the last 23 days. That gave over 500% in the VIP. So just kind of give you a heads up. I am the only one that we posting in the VIP callouts. Other members can post in the member callouts where we can all look at them and check out their setups and everything, which is great. But if you only want mine, there's a certain area for that. So, all right. So hopefully no more questions about the money portion. Now, if this was my group, I wouldn't even answer questions about the money. I would just tell you, go to their site. Like all these questions about money, I would have just skipped them. It's not my group. Like, I don't care if you join or not. I would like for you to join, but I don't care if you join or not. The main thing is to get the content that I give you for free, and you make money. But don't trust me. Verify. Joe, what was your last trade you took? Last trade I took, oh man, I don't remember. It's been a while. Oh, the LIA one, but that wasn't really a trade. That was more of an investment. And then I do a lot of like leverage trades. That's what I'm doing right now. For me personally, I'm not in any of these trades. So and I'm very transparent, guys. It'd be completely different if I was trying to sell you something, because then, oh well, I'm in this and this trade. And then, oh, you want proof? Oh, I can't give you proof. Or I'll give you proof next week. No. Like, I'll tell you. So far, like trades, I really haven't been in. You know, I do futures. I love futures, just real quick in and out. But, and I've told this to everybody since last year, my goal is in March and in April of this year to start either actively trading or investing, you know, or DCAing, however you want to say it. I'm very transparent with what I do. Now, with that being said, do I take a trade here and there? Yeah, sure. But I mean, to me, they're really not important because I just get in and out. You know, I'm not, it's nothing like 7,000% gains and everything else. So hopefully that answers your question. But let's see here. Join the group. Yeah, join the group, man. It's free. At the very minimum, it's a free Discord. Well said. Well said. I like groups that take the trades they post. Good for you. Don't join that one then. Don't join that one. Plain and simple. Don't join it. Oh man, I just lost a free member. Crap. Chugs. I lost a free member, guys. Oh well. Oh well. I would bet with the group that you would probably get the best, lowest divergence entry. I would bet with the group you would probably get the best, lowest divergence entry. I'm not sure if that was for me, but for divergence, you know, y'all know my feelings on divergence. If y'all been watching me for a bit, I go off of support resistance. Man, you guys are killing those likes and those hearts and those hundreds. Guys, get out of here. Let's see. Did you take any of those? I think I'm gonna stop posting this person because they just keep on and on. No, I answered that question already. Did I get into? No, I don't think I did. I don't think I did any of those. There were only 9 trades, but no, I don't trade a bunch. And then the ones that I do trade, it's on futures. Let's see. Can you show your P&L? And get out of here, dude. I'm negative 500. Yep. So I post successful trades, but I trade the opposite. So I'm negative 500. Oh, is that you, Trip? Trip. Man. Or is this Rob? It's either Trip or Rob. Man, I miss you guys. I miss you guys so much. And I'll make sure to send you some of those goggles. That way, all that dust that hits you in the face, it's not so bad. How's that? Trip, Rob, man, thank you for showing up today. Hey, make sure to smash the like, guys. Make sure to smash the like. Man, oh man, I'm so happy. Let's see here. Where do you trade futures? MEXC. I trade MEXC. And again, guys, everything I do, very transparent. Very transparent. I could easily lie. Easy. Why? But we got Rob in the house. Everybody in the chat, type in Rob, R-O-B, and hit enter. Everybody in the chat, Rob, enter, Rob, enter, Rob, enter, Rob, enter. And then after you do 5 of those, do trip, enter, trip, enter, trip, enter. I would love to see that. I would love to see that. And while you're doing that, I will give you a very quick link because, well, I've been talking so very much that I have not been able to do that. So let's go, guys. Let's go ahead and do all that. Okay. So let's go to this. Let's go to the weekly time frame. Let's do a rapid fire. This is what I do on rapid fire. So rapid fire, we are coming over here. We're going to delete this. We're looking at link. Link is right at resistance. Would I enter the trade? No. Why? I just said it. It's under resistance. So when would I enter? Well, when it breaks the resistance level. Now, we do have a very nice support area right here. This, we're going to go ahead and call this one our, well, this one we will do a, we'll make this gray. That way we know that this is our area of possible maybe a safer zone. I don't have it saved. Oh well. So let's do this, then we'll do this. So this is our area of we might enter once it breaks above this level. Now, what we can do, I mean, the level is really, really tight. But what we can do is do another thing right here. We'll go right there. We'll go right there. This one, we will make it our green. I have so many that, of course, right now, this is not support zone. So let me go ahead and, can't do it. So let me go ahead and take this. Let me just do it green. Let me just delete that. Because it's not a support zone, but this is your entry. Oh, this is entry zone. I'll just. So much for rapid fire. So this is, nope, I'm going to do it after the fact. Okay. So this is, I'll do this red. That way there's no confusion. Like, I know what it is, but I don't want any confusion for everybody else. So this right here, this is the zone that it's in. Would I enter right now? Nope, sure wouldn't. Then we have this liquidity zone. Would I enter this? Nope. I would wait for the breakout. I'd wait for the breakout, and then this is what I would do. Wait for the breakout. As it's breaking out, 33%, enter. Then it's going to come up to about here. Come down, get a retrace. A successful retrace is when it bounces, not when it goes to the area, but when it bounces. We got some robs and trips in the house. Robs and trips in the house. One more time, guys. One more time. Robs and trips. I want to see that. And then, here we go. So this is where I would enter. This is where I would enter. So we would have the entry of the breakout. And I would set alerts. Let's see. I'm surprised that it took me a while to figure it was Rob or Trip. But I want to say it's Rob, though. I'm like 99% positive it's Rob. Because now thinking back in the verbiage that was used and the speech and everything, I'm almost positive it was Rob. I'm almost positive. So, let's see. Where's Pixter at? Or Pixter? Where's Pixter? Rob? Come back, Rob. Just playing. Come back, Rob. Rob's in the house. Yeah. Rob's in the house. Go, Rob. Go, Rob. Rob's in the house. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Rob's in the house. Let's see here. Let's see. Josh says, I don't like those guys. They took my money and they were just posting charts saying they entered. Go away, Rob. No, I like it when Rob's here. Rob, he is a great trader. I take nothing as far as like that away from him. Rob is very smart. The only downfall on Rob, and I've said this to his face. Anytime I say anything, I'm that guy. I will tell you to your face, and then I will tell it to other people, so that when they tell you, you already know. One, I'm not talking behind your back, and two, you know what I already said. I told Rob to his face. Well, on Telegram and voice chat and phone and everything, I've told him. Said, dude, you are crazy smart. Man, I wish I was half as smart as you. Very, very quick to learn stuff. He picks up stuff really, really quick. He dedicates some stuff. Just the way his brain works, like it's always firing. Boom, 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 boom. So like he's able to just concentrate. Like if he's focused on something, he'll concentrate on it, and he does very, very well. Downside, very conceited, very egotistical. Dude, I don't know how you get out of your house with your head so freaking big. And then my buddy Chris, who loves to do hopes and dreams, I know filled that sucker up even more, fed his ego. That's why Rob turned on me. Yeah, me and Rob were, man, we were really good friends. Talk all the time on the phone for a few hours. Be on Telegram for a few hours. Be going back with thought process on charts and setups and everything all the time. Then, vanished. Ghosted me. Why? Chris is whispering in his ear. All lies, of course. Whatever he told him. I have proof. Chris, he has his sales pitch. He's a good salesman too. But for Rob is very smart. Then his other problem, besides his ego and his big head and everything else and being conceited, and literally this dude will rub salt in your eyes as he's winning and you're not. He's done that. And the admins, they were laughing at it because we were doing a group chat and I told them, oh, let's go over here. Let's go over here to story time. Because we're in a group chat and the admins, Rob is just rubbing salt in our eyes. And I said, dude, really? I said, do you need some humble pie? I have a whole bunch of it. I'll hand deliver it to you. They all started laughing because that's what Rob does. The second thing that I don't like about Rob is that as smart as he is, he cannot verbalize what he has up here to people. He's that smart. You know those like really, really smart people that have everything up here, but then when you ask them a question, they're like, jibber, jabber, jibber, jibber. I was like, what? Like, explain to me, like, how can I do this? Well, this and this. No, you missed like 30 steps, man. How do I get from here to here? And they miss all those steps. Like, I literally had to ask Rob the same question 3 to 5 times. And then I eventually showed him what I was doing, and then I figured out where I was messing up according to the way he was teaching a certain thing. I was like, dude, why didn't you just say that? Oh, well, I thought you understood what I meant. No, man, because when I verbalized it to you, I gave you my understanding of what you were trying to teach me. And I did not anywhere come close to what you just said. It was like, oh, well, I thought you just got it. I said, no, I told you everything that I understood from what you just taught. Anyway, but yeah. Let's see here. Let's see. Oh, wrong one. Yeah, exactly. Book smart, but can't articulate. Yeah. Big Apple. What's up, Big Apple? No, we're just talking. Oh man, we're actually over our time, and today is no live screen share for the free version of the group. Today we're just gonna do the VIP. So with that being said, I gotta get out of story mode, and I gotta get to this chart. So who asked for this chart? I want to see that who asked for this chart, because you have been very patient. So what I would do is I would set an alert right here. This is where my alert would be. Would I enter this trade right now? No. Now, granted, I did talk about this in great detail just because I knew it wasn't ready. Now, if the chart was ready, I would not be doing story time. I would not be talking. We are here to make money, and I would have shown you how to make money. But that's one of the reasons, like right away when I saw it, no, it's not ready. And then I went with my stories. So just give you a heads up. Create. So here, what I did was I just put an alert. And then what I like to do is I like to label my charts. So here's my alert, and I have a thing here, alert. These are my entries. This is something that I teach all the time. Hey, Rob, if you're still here, that's what I teach all the time. You want to buy the breakout, just in case. We got a subscriber. What's up, Dwayne? What's up? What's up, buddy? Just to let you know that if the price does break out, don't enter all of your position. Do 25, 30%, 33. Wait for it to pull back. This is the part that kills a lot of people. Well, YouTube, don't censor me for that. This is the part that people suffer a whole bunch because oh man, I got to put all my position in right now. And then it comes back down. It's like, oh crap. And then sometimes it gets stopped out. Wait for the support bounce. And again, this is, for me personally, I trade on the 4-hour time frame. The candle must close. Write that down, guys. Whenever you're watching this, have one of these next to you. Have one of these and one of these. Look at that, guys. I'm always prepared. I'm always ready. So if there's anything that comes up, I write it down. So just kind of give you a heads up on that. Rob's in the house. What's up, Rob? Rob. Rob's in the house. So happy to have you here, Rob. Show me your P&L. Show me your P&L. Dude, I haven't been trading. You know, what I have is futures. Show me your P&L. Let's see here. It says, no more talk about other group, please. Oh, see, here's the thing. Here's my channel. I can talk about that group all I want. Boom. Mic drop. Mic drop. And if I lose a subscriber, oh, you don't want free money. You don't want free content. I'm okay with that. Now, if I had a paid something, if I had a paid group, no, wait, I'm sorry, man. Yeah, definitely. I don't have a paid group. So if you leave, it's okay. You know, this is an area for you to learn free stuff, free content, make free money. If that's me talking about the other group is too much for you, okay, see ya. Nice knowing you. Let's see here. Oh yeah, definitely. Make sure to follow me, guys. Follow me on Twitter. Follow me on Twitter. Okay, moving on. Yeah, it's funny. Robin Trip. Here we have fun, guys. Here we have fun. It's laid back. It's a cool area, you know. YKU are turning me off. Wait, YKU are turning me off. I joined here to get away from hearing about them. Anyway, when did you get into crypto, Joe? Crypto I got back in 2020, I believe. Oh, and on this channel, Joshua, just to let you know, there are times where I will talk about them. I will. And I will talk about the other group. And I will. I will talk about the Discord group that I'm currently in. And I will. If this is too much for you, then, well, those are your feelings. But I'm letting you know, if you can stick through it, if you can muster through it, you're going to make a lot of money. You're going to make a lot of money. If you can just hang on for those few minutes of me talking about stuff that doesn't pertain to this, you know, the charts and everything else, you're going to make a lot of money. I like having fun, dude. You know, it's not all serious for me. If I had a business or a course or something, I would just do this. I like telling people about me and my life. I think it makes it more personal. And if you want business only, that's not here. Anybody here can tell you that. Anybody here can tell you that. I like having fun. I like enjoying life. I like helping out people. I go above and beyond. You know, don't just take my word for it. Everybody in here knows that they'll send me messages and I'll give them several voice messages, if not videos on my thought process. And for free. Oh, you're not in the Discord, I can't help you. No, for free. So just to let you know, I will talk about all those other things. That's just something you have to put up with if you want free content. That's it. Love you guys. Love you guys. So okay. So for Link, we answered that question, which I could have answered in what, 2 minutes? So would I enter Link right now? No. I just wait for this alert to go off, and then I enter. All right, so I'm going to go to the VIP section. It looks good though. You know, it looks like it could find its support here. Granted, this is not an official bounce. We do still need more candles. But, I mean, you have this resistance level right here, so I just wait. This is how I trade. Super easy, super simple. I show you how to make the most amount of money with the least amount of risk. And I show this to you over and over and over again. All right, guys. Let's see. Any last questions? Any last questions? Here to hearing your stories. Big Apple, thank you, brother. Appreciate you. Yeah, to me, it just makes it more personable. You know, you get to know about my life, my stories, my wins, my losses, my everything. Okay. So with that being said, guys, definitely check out the Discord group, Discord channel. It's free to be in there, guys. It's free to be in there. I give you charts. I give you thought process. I give you a bunch of stuff for free. My goal is to make you money to where you can afford to either pay for their group, their VIP, or somebody else's VIP. Like, that's my goal, is to make you money, period. Period. So if you're good with that, awesome. If you're not, well, you must have a lot of money. And then if you do have a lot of money, nope. Let me point this out. Right here, guys. Boom. Bingo, and bango. If you have a lot of money, bingo and bango. Why am I doing this? Because I'm not charging people $800,000 a year for memberships. Bingo and bango. Do I have a paid group? Nope. That's why I have this right here. Bingo and a bango. Yeah. In case you're getting your phones out, I'm waiting. No, I'm playing. I love you guys. I love you guys so much. But yeah, just to let you know, guys, I do this because I love to do it. I really do. And if you want to buy me a steak dinner, go for it. Go for it. If not, that's okay. I'm still here for you. I'm still doing this for you. Regardless of a steak dinner or not, I don't care. It makes me really happy when I get the messages that I get as far as helping them out and everything else. So with that being said, I do thank you guys very much. And I'm going to show you a video, and it's not going to be the whole video. I'm going to fast forward it and listen to the words. Listen to the words. This shows and tells you who I really am. I do thank you guys very much. For the ones that are in Discord in the VIP, we will see you in the VIP maybe about 10, 15 minutes after the stream ends. That way you can just get some water. Now, here is the closing, and after that, I'm going to give you a very important message. So I'm going to fast forward it too, so you get to the best part. Here we go. In 3, 2, and 1. We did move up our stop loss. 1 second, and of course,
talks about how we could think about.
I'm working really hard, guys. Working really hard to find you the best setups.
I really like Joe's teaching style. You know, he's helped me a lot become a better trader. He's really taught me to think about the thought process of what goes into a trade. You know, before entering, what could happen. If X happens, then do Y. If Y happens, then do Z, vice versa. He talks about all the different possibilities. I like that he always talks about how it could lose rather than winning, where most guys in crypto, all they do is talk about how much money they've made and how much money you can make. You know, Joe will actually go back and show you his losses. He'll show you in back testing points that he would have entered knowing that the trade is going to go down. Whereas a lot of other guys, they'll say, oh yeah, I would have entered right here, but they know that the chart was going to go up. You know, Joe's a really straight shooter. You know, he tells it like it is. His teaching style is very clear and concise. If there's a problem, you know, he's going to help you find the solution rather than just doing the same mistake over and over again. He keeps the language simple and is a slow talker in the sense that you can comprehend everything a lot easier.